Hi, Draw-So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a watermelon squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute watermelon, let's first start by drawing the squishmallow shape. So I'm going to start up here and draw a curve. And usually the goal is to just draw the top part of the squishmallow a little bit narrower, and then you bring it down and widen towards the bottom. So now I have this curve, I'm going to bring it down. And like always, it's all up to you. How squished you want your squishmallow. So it can be taller or shorter than mine. But I'm just going to start bringing it down and keep going. About right there. Bring it in, and then right about here, we're going to start to bring it in. So it's a little bit wider towards the bottom, and then we're going to flatten it out towards the bottom. There, something like that. It's kind of like this nice big egg, right? So a little bit narrower towards the top. So now that we have the shape in, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So I'm going to come towards the top area about right here and start with a big circle for some Draw-So Cute eyes. So I'll say about right here. Go ahead and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. There, so now my circle's in. Let's make them Draw-So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now I have the eyes in. I'm going to come above each eye and draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's add a sweet smile. So say about right here. Just going to go ahead and draw a curve, going slightly upwards, and then cap it off. And there. So now to make it a watermelon squishmallow, let's come about right here towards the bottom area. Say about here. And I'm going to start with a curve. So I'm just going to go across and give myself a point straight across. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it just helps me see where I'm going. So about right there, let's go ahead and add a curve towards the middle, and then we're going to go right back up there. And then we're going to draw another curve. So we're just different colors in the rind. So this would be the white part and then the green part at the bottom. The reason I think we love drawing watermelons is just because the colors are so pretty. Even though this doesn't make sense at all, it doesn't matter. Oh, so there. So now that we have this one band in, and now let's see here. Now to make it even more like a watermelon, because we can't tell what this is unless you color it, right? Let's come and draw some seeds. So just to make it a little bit more even, I'm going to come to the center, say about right here, and I'm just going to start with one seed. So it's just like a little drop, a little highlight right there towards the top. And then let's keep going. So I'm just going to stagger them. So maybe another one here. So my goal is just to try to draw them all about the same size. And let's see, another one here. So wherever I can fit them. And let's bring one down in the center. Here. Right underneath the eye. One here. So it's all up to you, so don't worry too much about it. Just want to spread out these seeds so that we can put it all over. And one more, about right here. So I'll quickly come in here and shade them all in since they're black. And one last one. There. And so now that we have the seeds in, I'm going to add the last thing. I'm just going to put a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute watermelon squishmallows. I know it looks really weird until you color it, and then it will really come to life. But I really hope you love this cute little drawing and that you found it fun and easy to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.